Periodic properties of elements. Here are certain characteristic properties of different elements which depend upon its structure, and these properties govern different reactions. Various types of reactions are governed by these properties. The properties are well depicted in periodic table represented here. And as we find here, these properties are atomic radius, ionization energy, electron affinity, non-metallic character, and metallic character. Over and above, there is one more property which is the outcome of these characteristics, and that is applies to covalent bonds, and that is the electronegativities of different elements. Now, what we need to know about these properties is that what is the variation of these properties when we move across the period or across a particular road of the periodic table or down the group. And there is definitely a relation can be made out between electron affinity and electronegativities. As we know, electron affinity is the amount of energy released, usually in kJ per mole, when an electron is added to a neutral gaseous atom. Electronegativity represents the extent of sharing of an electron in equivalent bonds between the two atoms which are covalently bonded. Now, whether it is electron affinity or electronegativity, both of them increase as we move in a particular road from one element to the other element. Now, here is a question related to electron affinity and electronegativity. The question is X, Y, and Z are the three elements in the second row of the periodic table with electron affinity in kJ per mole given as -15, -142, -333 respectively. The correct statement. Four options are given and we have to find out which is the correct option. Naturally, we need to know, as we have just now given, that both of them tend to increase as we move from one element to the other element in a particular row. And here it is related to second row of the periodic table. So whether it is electron affinity or electronegativity, both of them have the same trend. Therefore, in this case, the given elements which are X, Y, and Z will follow a trend in terms of electronegativity as well as in terms of electron affinity. That would be Z will be greater than Y is greater than X. And therefore, we can say that our correct answer in this case will be option 4. That is, Z has the highest electronegativity, because the order of electronegativity, just as we have seen, Z is greater than Y is greater than X. And so far as the option 1, 2, and 3 are concerned, they are not applicable over here because Y has the highest first ionization energy. We cannot make out simply by the electron negativity, electron affinity. There is nothing like most number of p इलेक्ट्रॉन्स से कोई मतलब इसका है नहीं, और प्रोटॉन एफिनिटी तो होते ही नहीं है. तो इस तरह से option 4 is the correct answer. Okay, thank you. We stop here. Please do subscribe to our channel.